Make a great choice today with the 2019 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.